If you want to make a DMV account in New York, it depends on whether you already have a NY.gov account or not. If you already use NY.gov for other services, just go to the My DMV page and click Sign In. Enter your NY.gov username and password. Then, you'll need to link your DMV info. That means typing in your 9-digit DMV ID number from your license or permit and your date of birth. Just make sure the information matches what the DMV has on file. If you forgot your username or password, the NY.gov homepage has tools to help you recover them. Now, if you don't have a NY.gov account yet, go to the same My DMV page and click Sign In, then choose Create an Account. Pick the option for a personal account. You'll need to enter your name, email, and home address and create a username. You can use letters, numbers, periods, dashes, underscores, or the @ symbol in it. After that, check your email for a message with setup instructions. Follow the link in that email to create your password and set up your security questions. Once your NY.gov account is ready, go back to the MyDMV page and click the button again. Enter your DMV ID number, the document number from your license or permit, the last 4 digits of your social security number, your date of birth, and the zip code the DMV has on file for you. If you've moved, you can update your address later once you're logged in. And that's it. Your DMV account is now ready to use.